Why do we age? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and doctors for centuries. Every living thing grows older, but aging is far more complex than simply counting the years on a calendar. In fact, your body begins changing at the microscopic level long before you notice wrinkles, gray hair, or aching joints. Deep inside your cells, a constant battle is taking place between damage and repair, and over time, damage slowly begins to win. Every second of every day, trillions of cells in your body are working, dividing, producing energy, and carrying out countless biological tasks. But these processes are not perfect. As cells generate energy, they also produce harmful byproducts known as free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage DNA, proteins, and other important cellular structures. Fortunately, your body has powerful repair systems designed to fix this damage. When you're young, these repair mechanisms work remarkably well, keeping your cells healthy and functioning efficiently. However, as the years pass, the repair systems themselves begin to wear down. Damage starts accumulating faster than the body can remove it. One of the most important factors in aging involves structures called telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps located at the ends of chromosomes, often compared to the plastic tips on shoelaces. Every time a cell divides, these telomeres become slightly shorter. Eventually, they become so short that the cell can no longer divide properly. At this point, the cell enters a state known as senescence, where it remains alive but no longer functions normally. These senescent cells are sometimes called zombie cells because they refuse to die while releasing inflammatory chemicals into surrounding tissues. As more of these cells accumulate throughout the body, they contribute to many of the visible and invisible signs of aging.